Truck down! Truck down! And my pizza's going down. We got old Hollywood over here.
What's up, guys?
He's putting his pizza down, Manac. He said, well, we gotta be looking busy while we do the intro. And I said, no, you don't. He won the argument. So we're looking busy eating pizza and cutting an intro. So today we're on to Sheldon, Missouri. Somewhere up in there. As usual, directions are sketchy. Somewhere around maybe 88 mile marker on I-49. I can work with that. Look for a truck. It's kind of a unique size. I questioned him like 6 times. It was like a 255/70 22.5, and that's just like a drop axle size. And if it's a drop axle, you don't need to pay me to come there and do roadside. So I don't know, but I have confirmation it is that size. So we're rolling with what we got. I had it in stock. I was down to one. I sold another one today, so shit. Hopefully we only need one. Oh, Hollywood, he's been, what have you done, 2 runs by yourself?
2 runs, this will be my 3rd one.
3rd run this week, but 2 of them didn't get recorded. I was busy.
1 did.
1 did?
Half-assed, the one that we went I-40.
I-40.
The FedEx truck. I sent you bits and pieces.
Oh, it was so combobulated. It wasn't even usable for pig slop.
Well, pig slop is pig slop.
You know, he's not wrong. 20 bucks is 20 bucks. You ask him what he does for 20 bucks. So, anyway, we're rolling. It's kind of a wet one today. I melt, so I think I'm gonna wait in the truck.
Shit.
And then he can let me know when he gets done. Probably what we're gonna do. Might work.
That's probably what's gonna happen.
But we got jackets at the back. We got lights. It'll be dark when we get there. It's an hour and piece to get there. So, anyway. Well, anything you want to say, though?
We get to use our new lights tonight, guys. Don't you worry.
Oh, the big fancy ones?
Yep.
See, nobody here knows about them. That's only Snapchat that knows about them.
Yeah, only Snapchat. You guys got to follow us on our Snapchat.
Yeah, if you're not following us on Snapchat, you're missing a lot of daily content of just dumb shit that's funny. So, anyway, we'll see you on scene. Let's go. Put a whoop on a tire. All right, well, we're just getting on scene here. I guess I did string out the air hose. Woo! Slippery little sucker. We got one heck of an embankment right here. I don't know if that shows up in the camera or not, but yeah, that'll keep you rolling right to the bottom. But I speculate that's why we're here, is right here. That'd be my guess. Said he's heavy. I would imagine he's heavy with that kind of 30, 40, I don't remember. I'll have to ask the driver. It's heavy. So we're gonna get started. We got Hollywood all lit up here. Holly! All right, we got the strobes working. We got Holly working. Gonna have to grab I think a 20-ton of cribbing and we'll go to work. All right, Hollywood, what do we got going on here?
A blown out tire.
One blown out tire. So we got it yacked up under here. That's our yakking. Should work. There's our tire. Everybody put in the comments what their favorite is. I really like this Howell stuff, but I've got Freall that I don't mind as well. Kind of like the little marketing gal on the Freall. Now this should have footing here. I don't know if you can see that. This is a straight off embankment. And I hope that didn't, that's okay. Don't touch that until you're ready to pick it up, because it'll be down in the ditch. It was very close. I didn't know you was gonna hit it quite that hard. You hit it with great enthusiasm. But be careful, watch your step, watch your footing. You'll need me to hold this and then you climb back up on the hill.
Got it.
Okay, walk very carefully. Dangerous situation. All right. Hello, traffic.
We forgot Blue Cobra.
We forgot Blue Cobra.
I'd have been already done with it.
You probably, well, that 255 doesn't work real good with the Blue Cobra. All right, so I'm gonna show you a technique that I don't think you've done yet. So we'll keep one bar, I'll hold the one bar, stand it up. Go ahead and get rid of that bar. Okay, so what we're gonna do on this one, we're gonna take this notch, kind of goes right in there, goes in there just like that, and then you drop it down. Bingo, just like that. So there's more than one way to trick a pony, brother. Did any of that lube even stick on that tire? I'm not really worked with Murphy's a lot in the rain. I try to stay home when it's raining. I got allergies to getting wet. Or maybe it's allergies to working. Want the mash over bar? There you go. Put that right over there and foot in there, you got it. That'll mash right over and do the little droppy down. Yes, sirs. Now, you want me to do the walk? I'll do the walk if you record.
I got the walk.
You gonna do the walk?
Yeah, it's too dangerous for your brittle bones.
It's too dangerous for my brittle bones. My goodness. And I sign his paychecks for this kind of abuse. Bingo. The lucky dog has run out of lucky dog juice.
Yeah, with this one.
How does that make you feel, Hollywood?
It's good.
It's good. I thought you'd like that. I don't know if this counts. You know, this is not the sticker to be taking off. This is just a sticker. I probably bought 6 of them that day, I guess. So maybe we put that sticker here. But we do have one sticker that's mandatory. Remember how mad the crowd was when we forgot to pull a sticker one night?
Yeah, it's over here on this side.
Good God, they're still pissed at me. There it is. Well, hello, DRC Radio. What are there, 2 of them on there?
Oh, ripping!
Well, I am trying to be gentle with the merchandise, but it may not work tonight. Because it's a double sticker. It's a double sticker. Man. This is bad potatoes right here, kids. Man, it ain't gonna stick.
Stuck on you.
I had one job, right?
And you fucked it up.
Hey. Well, that's about as good as this one's gonna get. Send her down the road. God, did y'all see that? Man, do you put your... I don't even want to know what you do with your wife. That was pretty impressive. Well, that was probably one of the wettest road runs I think I've ever done. It was freaking pretty pouring. Could be pouring harder, but I think we left at 4. We had a little over an hour drive to get here. It's 6 o'clock now, and the boys are gone. And we had like say an hour and 15-minute drive to get here, so pull up on scene, take the tire off, all the way off, not a 1-bar drop, put it back on, hand torque it, and get that done in under an hour. And bring all the shop with me. Road run, guys? Are you doing them in like 10 minutes? I want to see you do it if you claim you can. But we got Hollywood over here. Boy, that brought right to the old guy, didn't it?
What's up, guys?
What? I gotta get you. There you are.
Yeah, you gotta get my good face.
The good face?
Yeah, my good side.
We're gonna be shopping for a while to find that.
Yeah, that's true.
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
Well, turn the air conditioning on. Get
pouring.
Let's get a little analyst. Let's get air.
Yeah, air.
I don't know. Can't talk tonight. That's fun watching the man work. Caleb's gotten this pretty good. Like that was a good run. That was a hefty leg. That was a hefty leg. You'll have to show me that. I think my brittle bones are a little too old for that one anymore. I'm using grandpa bars. I'm just being honest with you.
That was a good one.
Anyway, well, you ready to go home?
I'm ready to go get something to eat.
Let's go put some food down your neck. Any final shots though before we peel out?
Well, boys, if you guys ever need us, just call.
We're coming running. And we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And shoot Micah a thank you in the comments for doing her video editing. Sure, more enjoyable to watch with her doing it than me. So, see you everybody. See you on the next run.